These things are not bananas. They are not oversized extra green bananas, but they are instead plantains. And one of the big questions is, how do you get into them? Hi, I'm Nica Waters and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We are going to get into some plantains. Are plantains just like bananas?
They are like bananas, but you cannot eat them raw. It's like the potato of bananas. You have to cook them in order to eat them.
If you let them go almost black, then they are more banana-like.
This is true.
Yeah.
This is true.
Green
Still,
plantains.
the maduros, right? Still, I cook them,
Yeah.
but it does make them easier to deal with. They're sweeter too when they get really
Yes. Yeah.
kind of yellow and then blackened skin. Right, so we cut the ends to get the plantains prepped. These are really green, and that makes the skin a little harder to get off. But I do go to the inside of the curve and do a slice, and then I'm just going to quarter it that way. And at that point, you can kind of get your thumb underneath it and peel it around the edge.
As a substitute for mashed potatoes, not quite bananas, but almost. Press stop.